What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make a vegan protein-packed chili in under 30 minutes. This recipe is loaded with flavor, packed with plant-based protein, super filling, and perfect for meal prep. Let's get cooking. These are the recipes we'll be using today. First, grab a large pot and place it over medium heat. Add a little oil, then toss in your garlic, your onion, your bell peppers, and jalapeno. Season it up with the peppers and seasonings as salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, chili powder, cumin, and onion powder. Your kitchen is already about to start smelling amazing. Next, add your diced tomato, your tomato sauce, your vegetable broth, water, and all your beans. Once boiling, cover the pot, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes so all those flavors can blend together perfectly. After that, stir in your corn, your fresh lime juice, your oregano powder, and cilantro. Cover it again and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Now, if you like your consistency a little bit more thick, I suggest grabbing a ladle, putting about 2 to 3 cups into a blender, blending it and pouring it back in. Depending on your chunkiness, you can tell until it's perfectly the way you like it. Now turn off the heat and let the chili cool for about 2 minutes before serving. And that's it. An easy protein-packed vegan chili that tastes incredible and keep you full for hours. Top it off with your favorites, avocado, vegan cheese, extra cilantro, or whatever toppings you love most. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and check for more healthy recipes and fitness content here on this channel. I'll see you in the next one, warriors. God bless.